announcement for passengers. Please make sure they have their belongings on them at all times.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees.
I know I was away for so long. I guess it's been a week or a couple of days. I'm not even sure. I'm terribly sorry for that. Anyway, I have a really good news. I just released my gumroad, so there's tons of free stuff. Well, everything's free here, so you guys can download them and play around with it. But I guess there's some of it like these example environment, any kind of environment things, I separate the textures because it exceeds the limit that I can upload, because it's just a free account, I guess that's why. So I separated the textures. So example, the animations that I showed you, the METO, which stands for medical tower, you guys could see METO environment and METO textures, so you guys could download this both to see the full, the full blend file, because anyway, I'm gonna do like a bit of breakdown why you guys will get. This is the original file where I'm working on, right? But what you will get there, because the texture is separated, you will get this. I hope you won't mind to do a bit of work there. So what you need to do is just, once you download the textures, right, and then you click anything, make example this thing, and then you can try to go to this shader editor and then find this orange box, right? Because this is the image texture, and then just remember the name, train wagon. So open and then find the textures and then try to find that train wagon. Now here, train wagon 18198. So just do these things like to every single part here. But the problem is there are a couple things that once you click it, but you will not gonna you cannot edit them. Why? Because it's a collection instance, so there are lots of assets here, right? That I append them, and you guys could actually save them into a different file, so you guys can append them as well, like whenever you want. So example here, I do not know. I guess that is the wall 1, collection 1. So if you want to load the textures and click the wall 1 and then select objects and then slash, and it will isolate everything, so you can be more focused on this one. So you're gonna do the same thing. Remember the name 1F8 and open what? Oh yeah, this one. Okay, sorry. So yeah, just do these things, okay, again and again. I'm just hoping you guys won't mind to do a bit of work there in your computer. And I had to remove the people, so you guys wouldn't see any people here, because it's exceed the limit again. I told you. If you go to the render properties, you guys would see render. I rendered those animations with only 5 samples, so it only gave me like 5 to 7 seconds per frame. just imagine that. I mean the graphics, the quality is, I guess, not that bad, I guess. So you guys can make these kind of animations and as well quick and easy, so don't worry about those. Like if you have a cheaper laptop, just turn down samples in eevee. It actually it's gonna get you a significant difference. Also, I forgot, you probably only see one tower, right? But in the animations you guys would see there's a lot of them. Down here you guys can find name extras 1. Okay, if you unhide them, you will see more are popping up back there, and sorry. And yeah, I hide them because it's really lagging in my viewport. It's just a cheaper laptop here. But at least you guys know what to do. Just try to play with these things, okay? Just try to play with these things. Just remember, anything with absolute is the original file, okay? I mean, it's the original props, it's the original object. Anything with collections, it's just a collection instance, so don't mind them. And yeah, I guess that's I'm gonna close this, and I'm showing you guys, like, there is rack 1, there is hardsurface 1. I usually, same thing what I just told you in that matter environment, is gonna be absolute, which is if I hide this absolute 2, it's gonna be that one, absolute 1, and it's gonna be this that one. And remember, if you want to use the collection instance, make sure like this is gonna be in the middle, because why? If you're gonna straight, right, collection instant and absolute 2, it will, the origin of the object is gonna be here. So if you rotate, it's gonna be like that. It's not gonna be like that flexible. But if you put it into the middle and then do the same thing, absolute 2, and then you can try to do that. It's much more flexible. And I'm gonna close that. You guys know what to do with that now. And then hardsurface, same thing, absolute 1, absolute 2, and texture test. And you guys can do whatever you want with it. And there are some more. And there are some more. With this turn that it's into something episode 3, the textures it's inside here, so don't worry about that. And what else? I guess it's all for now, and yeah. I hope you enjoy all of these free stuff, and I hope it means something for you. Anyway, thank you guys for sticking with me, and thank you guys for watching.